Hello everyone, in this lecture we will discuss about parent, child and siblings tag. Let's open this HTML page. So here you can see these are different tags. Now HTML is a tag, inside that you can see all the tags. If I click here, so it will close the tag. So everything is inside HTML tag. Body, head, paragraph, all these things. So it means HTML is a parent here. Now suppose here this meta tags and title tags, these are inside head, right? So meta and title, these are child for the head and they are siblings. So meta and title both are siblings because they share the common parent here. So parent is head here. Similarly, all these headings, paragraph, image, anchor, they all are siblings because they have the common parent. And who is the parent here? The body is the parent. You can always click here and wrap this. So this relationship is important because when we apply the CSS, we can write the ID and class, or we can write directly the rule for the parents and child or sibling. Whenever element is inside some tag, so that tag will become the parent for these tags, and they are siblings. For example, here body and head both are sibling. So in this example we have discussed about unordered list or ordered list. Here you can see these list items are siblings and the parent is unordered list, this UL. Now let's create a list inside another list. What if I have to create one more list here under suppose web Python programming? So let me create here order list OL. So don't close the element tag here, you have to close here, and here only you have to start this OL, or it can be UL. So OL means order list, UL means unordered list. Let's add here list item here. Web scraping. So you can see this list is inside this list item LI. Now here OL is the child for this LI, and this list item and this list item both are sibling and they share the parent here, this OL. So all these three list item is inside OL. This relationship is important to understand because when we see the structure of the website, there we have to understand who is the parent, who are the siblings and child, then we can access according to that. So let's first run this. I'll show you this. And you can see here this Python programming inside one more list. Let's go back here. Here we have a div. Div is a container. Inside div we can write something because it's a container. It can contain anything. It can be a heading, it can be a paragraph. So a div. So these kind of containers are very common in HTML. We have different types of container. For example here, so I'll go here on the top. Here we can create header. So header is a container. Usually in header we put logo, navigation bar. So if I have to add navigation bar, I can use this HTML tag nav. and inside that we can create a list item. It can be an order or order list. So I'll create here. Let's create home list item. Let's say about us. But these will be our links, right? So usually we write like this, anchor tag inside this href hyper reference. I'll not give any link, just to show you. I'll just make it empty. Okay. Again, this part also anchor tag hyper reference. This kind of HTML structure is very common. Inside body we have header, inside header navigation bar, and then an order list, then list item. Inside list item we have anchor tag. Again go back here, refresh, and see here these are links. Now let's inspect, right click here, inspect. From here you can see the structure, the body, header, and on the left side you can see it will highlight that part. So header is highlighted, then navigation, then an order list, list item. Similarly at the end you can have a footer area. So here we can create a footer area. So there are so many HTML tags that can be used, but if I have to access, the good thing here, we can always right click and then inspect and then see inside which HTML tag the element is present.